But we've had a lot of rough weather, as you can see. A lot of crazy really powerful thunderstorms and lots of lightning. So I figured it's morning time. It's nice and cool before the heat arrives and the storms form. I come out here and just enjoy a little bit of serenity. And as always, it never disappoints. You probably can hear some airboats in the distance. There's several airboat trails through this swamp. Look at that tree and all the life growing on it. Isn't that wild? Got some wild boar activity digging up the ground. Well, let's see if I could find some of the carnivorous plants, the sundews, near the edge of the swamp here. Oh yeah, it doesn't take long. See if I could find one that's really nice. Wow, there's a bunch of them here. And of course, you got the beauty of the swamp too. Not sure what the name of that plant is, but I'll come back and get a close-up of a sundew. Just see how the swamp's doing here. I'm surprised it's actually a little bit low. All right, let's get a up-close video of some sundews. I'll come back because I might have to clear some of the grass around it to get a good video of it. Oh wait, this isn't too bad. I'm gonna have to zoom in. If you're not familiar with sundews, they're carnivorous plants. I'll zoom in more. And they have these little sticky pads that, you know, if an insect comes across it, they capture it and eat it. And they have beautiful flowers too. And usually around like February, the flowers are out. But it's pretty cool when you see a whole field of them. And now it's time to get downright jungly. Lots and lots of palms in this section of the trail. I'm going to stop here. This little fallen limb here. It's always been a nice place where I've come, and I've done many a swamp talk. And if you see that moss right there, it makes for a very comfortable seat. And it's one of my favorite places to be. It's beautiful. So I think I'll sit here for a little bit and relax before going to the next section of the swamp. Every once in a while, I come across these cool freshwater snails. They're quite the delicacy amongst the wildlife here. A lot of birds of prey love them, raccoons love them, other animals as well. So they're definitely a delicacy in the swamp. Hey YouTubers, thank you for stopping by and watching the video. And remember, always practice good medicine and fight for the wild.